But you look bald, Mena.
I know,
Oh, it hurts right here. Okay.
Don't smile.
1, 2, 3. Come on. And next.
Sometimes I get a double chin, so you have to let me know.
This is my friend Manuela Morello. I mean, I say Valerie Grisolis. Val, if you're watching, be jealous. Anyway,
I'm just gonna fix this red spot I have right here.
can you see it in the thing?
I don't know.
I can't.
Probably,
I can't
yeah,
tell.
you can see it. You can see it.
It's like in Chow. This is one of my day ones, literally. I'm gonna insert the picture of us when we were babies.
Yeah, you should.
Check out the picture.
We've been friends
Since preschool.
preschool, yeah.
Yeah, the glow up is real. Anyway, in today's video, we are going to transform her from 0 to fab. So her skin is, she has combo skin. So we are going to use the Beauty Counter Balancing and Charcoal Facial Mist. I recommend everyone take it.
Quiero hacerte tantas cosas sin enamorarte. Quiero que te sientas como.
Yeah, it looks like your color. We're then going with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is a super full coverage foundation, but it smells really bad. Yeah, like really bad. I can't stand it, but oh, and that is not her shade. I'm then also taking the e.l.f. This is the oil-free foundation. I think that's what it's called. Guys, this is a really nice full coverage foundation and it's only $5 from Walmart. Her foundation is done. It's a little darker than her neck, but that's okay. We'll make it work. We're going to go in with the Tarte concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape, and the NARS. Alright, two of my favorite concealers.
Okay, question.
What?
When you apply concealer, do you, like, how low do you go?
How low can you go? Can you go down low?
So really, how low do you go? I never know.
I only go like this, like right here, in this triangle. And then we're gonna go in with the Laura Mercier and grab a beauty sponge. Look up. The same Laura Mercier powder we are going to
Are you even filming?
apply
Oh, yeah.
all over her face. You almost gave me a heart attack. Because she does also have oily skin, like me. So, you set the whole thing. We are then going in with my favorite bronzer and contouring products, which are the Kat Von D Shade and Light Palette and the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. So I'm going to cut her cheeks first with a more cool toned color so I could create a shadow look. So Mela. See, it creates a shadowy look. You can stop that.
Oh.
It creates a shadowy look, and then we'll go on with the other side. Here even look more tan because it needs some life. Okay, and we are going to bronze up the rest of the face. Oh, don't forget the neck because she's weird as frick. Again. Nena, no cursing on my channel, even if it's in another language. So I'm gonna go, this is my favorite, but I'm just gonna go with Glow Getter.
Así es que la quiero,
So now she's glowing. Ooh, a lot on your nose. Hold on. Okay.
Yeah, the Morphe 582.
R10. So we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color medium brown. Mela, truth or dare?
True.
Truth. Have you ever hated me?
Did I ever hate you? No, but I feel like there was a time where I didn't really like you.
Oh,
I
good.
didn't hate you, but I think there was a time I wasn't like your biggest fan. You should be. Saludos a los de Colombia.
There you go. Saludos. Yeah.
Well,
Sure. Busy. But
oh shit. Oh, I barely made it.
barely made it up here.
Yeah.
That was me.
Say hi to my fans.
Gang gang.
No cursing on my channel. Brows are fleek. Sorry for the interruption. We're then going on to eyeshadow, and we are going to use the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. So I'm first gonna go in with the shade Tempera, just to, what's it called? Set the eyes.
Yeah, we were like friends then,
And then apparently she hated me for a little.
didn't hate her.
Anywho, so I'm gonna use Raw Sienna on the outer crease. And next we will be doing, kind of just winging this, so she has brown eyes, and I've noticed that with brown eyes you use orange colors and it pops, so maybe we'll do with that. So I'm going to go on next with burnt orange. I'm going to, oh my god, this is in the wrong freaking, it's in the wrong thing. This is a precise brush. Stupid. So I want to try and just cut her crease a little bit, so I'm gonna go in back with Tempera, which is the lightest shade. And we're then gonna go with the shade Rilgar and even make this even more orange.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Karime, my #1 fan. I'm then going in with warm taupe. I'm then just gonna take a shimmer Primavera and add it to where I sort of cut the crease.
Me to think that you are the one for me. Like your baby mom, not Cardi's your wife to be.
And then for her under eyes, we're gonna go in with a mixture of warm taupe and burnt orange.
But you came to set me free. They say you're not my type, but you got my type to be. So answer this, can you hold me, can I trust you? Paddock on the wrist, both arms, that's what us do. Mansion on the hill.
From the 0 to 100. This is the final look. I went with a orangey type of look for her pretty eyes. Beautiful. Kept it natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm glad you guys finally got to meet Manuela Murillo, and I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot of her. Bye!